All right, real quick, guys, it's Drew with Credible Solar. I'm here to tell you about solar monitoring, SolarEdge. So here's your login screen. You should get email credentials to log into your SolarEdge, and this will be your monitoring. So I'm going to go ahead and log into mine real fast. And why do we want to be monitoring this, guys? On top of your energy storage, if you do have a battery bank, you'll have some monitoring there as well as your utility bill. But here as well, you have monitoring directly from the panels. So you see we have an alert for this one right here. We're going to check that out in a second. I think you can already guess it's going to be the power optimizer's busted on this one because look at this, the usage today. So with the SolarEdge, as long as the system's still producing, this panel's not broken. It's just not going to have the monitoring on there. Okay, so let's go check out this alert. Okay, no communication with power optimizers. Perfect. Okay, so all I got to do is go in here. It's not a high alert. It's an already impact 2, and we're just going to go and take care of that now for you. So check your utility bill once a month, twice a month, however often you check it. Check your SolarEdge or your solar monitoring. We do have Enphase monitoring as well. Works very similar to this. So there's also reports. You can go back and check past usage, all that good stuff. Here, check this out. So yeah, you see here, this month they created 3,400 kilowatt hours, already equivalent to removing 20,000 pounds of CO2 from the ozone layer, if that was otherwise produced with solar fossil fuels or 151 trees being planted as the equivalent. So pretty cool stuff, guys. Yep, this is SolarEdge. Make sure to check your credentials once you go solar. You can log into the Credible Solar app and actually monitor that from. Just you can scroll to the very bottom of the website, or we have a banner at the top where you can go to the web portal. You can go to Solar Affiliate Marketing page. Go to the web portal over there. I think it's going to be down here. Oh, yeah, web portal. So right here on the second page. Web portal. Okay, you log into your web portal. Go to Solar Monitoring. Click on SolarEdge if you have SolarEdge. Click on Enphase if you have Enphase. It's our Enphase monitoring. One of the gateways is not reporting. Okay, we're going to go ahead and submit something for that as well. Okay, I think it might just be the Ethernet. Okay, the cell modem is idle. Disconnected from the cloud. Okay, cool. So both these systems need a little bit of checkup. Okay, that's exactly why you want to check them. But just go to your web portal inside the Credible Solar app, which it'll be on the top of the website on the banner over there. So you guys can check that out. And then you go over here to log into your web portal, your SolarEdge, like we were just talking about. Check out this system right here. This one's created 76 kilowatt hours today. So, I mean, he got 4,600 kilowatt hours during July. Guys, right here in the Credible Solar app on the website, go to the web portal. You can find that on the affiliate marketing page, the second page, right here on web portal, or in the top in the banner, which it'll be right there at the top right corner. So if you have any questions, guys, feel free to email or contact me. I'm here to help. Got your back. Out here in Texas, Credible Solar, Texas Solar Company, owned and operated. We're out here taking care of business. God bless you guys. Talk to you later.